I think reputation is so important because reputation precedes everything. That's both the reputation of the recruiter, but even more importantly, it's the reputation of the company. A recruiter is quite possibly only as good as the company's reputation allows them to be. So building and showcasing a strong employer brand is a solid way to attract and get access to candidates. So getting your company culture and your values out there for people to see through your website, social media channels, that's the fastest way for candidates to get a good picture of how good your reputation is. On the flip side of that, I think if a company has a bad reputation and they're struggling to hold on to staff and they've got internal issues and, that needs to be addressed. The recruiter just can't be honest at that point. They can't be authentic. And what they're probably going to end up doing is forcing square pegs into round holes to get people on board. And that approach rarely ends well. And most candidates are likely to leave once they find out that where they work, it wasn't what they expected. So I think that companies that have a bad reputation really need to address the root cause. They need to take steps to build a better foundation and look to do things the right way.
Yeah.